Hi, thanks for joining me today. Paul Corkill from Harcourt's Coastal and Broadbeach. Welcome to my latest listing situated right here at number 66 Slatyer Ave Bundall. This lovely 4-bedroom, low-set home is coming to the market very soon. With an in-ground tropical swimming pool, air conditioning throughout, with an outdoor entertaining area with loads of room, so come and join me for a look through. Coco and Chanel are going to be really sad to leave, so for more information please give me a call.